We all know that Jesus had everything. People liked him. He did a lot of miracles. He spoke inspiring words. He had the power to cure, to multiply bread and fish, and many others. Masasabi na nating kaya na ni Lord gawin ang lahat. Dahil anak siya ng Diyos, dahil makapangyarihan siya. He would need no one to accompany him or at least stop him for support and for encouragement during his ministry. But today, my dear brothers and sisters, we've heard that it was not so for the Son of God. May direct line man, so to say, si Jesus sa kanyang Ama, to whatever he would need. He had good friends, good companions, good collaborators, or support system that was present during his ministry. And we've heard their groups and their names. The 12, some women like Mary, Joanna, Chuza, and many others who witnessed and who even first and foremost received good news on their end. Someone who were freed from their distress. Someone who received God's favors in their life. We can see how in the life of Jesus, good friends will be there to support you. Good friends were true for Jesus. Good friends will never stop you from doing good. Good friends are solid people who will encourage you. And how fitting it is to remember friendship or collaboration as we remember Saints Andrew Kim Taigon, Saint Paul Hasang, and their companion martyrs. We see in them this inspiration how friendship can make us saints. Madali po kasing gawing lusot ang pagkakaibigan sa pamumuhay ng masama. Madaming pagkakaibigan ang nakapapahamak. Pero ibahin po natin ang pagkakaibigang ito. This is collaboration. This is friendship. This is union or togetherness with each other, leading us to God, supporting us, supporting our dreams, and making us saints. My dear brothers and sisters, we need true friends who will really support us and bless us with their presence. Jesus had a lot of them. Tinuturoan tayo ni Jesus na totoo nga, no man is an island. We need each other. We need true friends. Support system is needed. You might need to tap your sister or brother when he or she needs your presence. You need not to be a priest or to be a preacher or to stand in front to inspire others or encourage others. A simple, a short word can make a day new and inspiring. You just have, you might not have the treasure, but you have the time, you have the presence to encourage and support each other. We might not be the richest, but at least we've been good friends, good buddies, we call, good partners in life, leading each other to the love of God.